Looking to sell your Coolidge house today and without the hassle of traditional real estate methods? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses. With over 20 years of experience, we're your trusted local cash buyer who can put cash in your hands in as little as 7 days. Whether you're facing foreclosure, going through a divorce, relocating, dealing with an inherited property, or facing mortgage problems, we can help. We'll handle any repairs, paperwork, and necessary steps to make the process as smooth as possible for you. Don't worry about the stress of cleaning and repairing your property, finding an agent, signing a complicated contract, or worrying about buyers backing out at the last minute. With Kevin Buys Houses, selling your Coolidge house today is a breeze. We buy houses with cash, so there's no waiting for bank financing or dealing with traditional real estate methods. Our process is simple and straightforward. Just visit our website and provide us with some basic information about your property, and we'll give you a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We're dedicated to making your life easier while still paying you a fast, fair, and honest price for your house. So, if you want to sell your Coolidge house fast and hassle-free, Kevin Buys Houses is the answer. Contact us at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com to get started. We're ready to make you an offer and get cash in your hands today.